Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your OS and kernel to ensure commands behave as expected. This explains why steps may differ. Once done, close large applications and save work so the system can safely free pages. Next, open an administrative terminal and run free h and top to capture current cached RAM and active processes so you know your baseline. Make sure to note any abnormal caches or swap use. That information guides the next cleanup commands and targeted fixes. You now flush file system buffers by running sync so data on disk is consistent before dropping caches. This prevents data loss. Then, depending on aggressiveness, echo 1, 2, or 3 into /proc/sys/vm/drop caches to free page cache, dentries, and inodes. Use 1 for page cache, 2 for dentries, 3 for both. After that, restart or reload services that held memory, for example with systemctl restart nginx. This forces them to reallocate cleanly. Make sure to recheck memory metrics to confirm improvement. You finish by tuning long-term parameters. Set VM, swappiness, and VFS cache pressure to values that match your workload so the kernel favors RAM usage appropriately. Once tuned, consider updating kernel or drivers if caches still grow unexpectedly. These often fix leaks. If issues persist, use performance tools like perf, top, or /proc/* to identify leaking processes and consider restarting or patching them. As a troubleshooting tip, check system logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.